The Mistplay spin wheel is part of the app's rewards experience, so when it stays blank, keeps loading, or never responds, the first fixes are to restart Mistplay, check your connection, and clear temporary app data. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot the spin wheel without changing your account or creating a new one. Start by completely closing Mistplay. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Mistplay, and use Force Stop .it. Then reopen Mistplay and check the spin wheel again. If the wheel was stuck because the app session failed to load correctly, restarting the app can refresh that session. If it still does not load, restart your phone. Then open Mistplay again before launching any games, and check the spin wheel first. Next, test your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi D. If the spin wheel works on one connection but not the other, the problem is likely related to the network rather than your Mistplay account. Also check whether a VPN is active. Mistplay says VPN use is not allowed, so disconnect any VPN before testing the app again. The next Android step is clearing Misplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon, open App Info, select Storage or Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted while the app was loading. Do not choose Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you understand the consequences, because those options are different from simply clearing cached files. Now check Google Play Store for a Mistplay update. Open the Play Store, search for Mistplay, and install an available update. Then restart Mistplay and check the spin wheel again. If the wheel loads but does not respond, check whether other parts of Mistplay are working. Open your games list or another rewards section. If everything else works and only the spin wheel fails, the issue may be limited to that feature. You should also avoid repeatedly tapping the wheel or changing your account information while it is stuck. If the feature is temporarily unavailable on Misplay's side, repeated attempts will not necessarily make it load. If the spin wheel still does not work after restarting the app, switching networks, clearing the cache, and updating Mistplay, contact Mistplay support. Include your device model, Android version, Mistplay app version, and a screenshot showing the spin wheel problem. The practical order is simple. Force stop Mistplay, restart your phone, test another connection, disconnect any VPN, clear the cache, and update the app. If the spin wheel remains unavailable after those steps, report the issue to Mistplay instead of creating another account. If this fixed the spin wheel problem, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.